you might be interested to know who else is in the room, right? So shall we take a look? With the support of Talent Lab software, which is a data visualization tool for human capital, we're able to see at a glance where everybody's from. So we actually have about 25% of you in the room today who are from outside Singapore, as far afield as North America, Europe, New Zealand, and within Asia. This gives you a sense of where everyone's from. We have a large group from Thailand, that's the yellow dot there. Also Malaysia, Indonesia, and far in the northeast, Japan as well. We have a large contingent. So please join me in welcoming our delegates from outside Singapore. Now, beyond the 23 countries that are represented here in the room, we also represent a very broad spectrum of industries. So let's take a quick look at everybody in the room. You just saw a view of that, and really quickly you can get a sense that we actually represent over 30 industries in this room. Now, the other thing that's of course quite interesting is to see what type of roles everybody has. And when we zoom down into that, we notice that about 40% of everyone in this room have country roles, another 40% have regional roles, and just shy of 20% have global roles, and there's a small dot there. We're not quite sure exactly what they're doing. Now, let's look at gender. Wow, a very balanced mix of male and female in the room, and I guess if you look around, you would see that. Now, what's of course interesting is if we start to superimpose the data. So what do you think it would look like? So look. By country, regional, and global roles, we are remarkably evenly distributed, male and female. So I think the HR profession, in this room at least, has been doing a great job in terms of representation at both the country, regional, and global roles. So we have about 500 in attendance, as you can see today, and delighted that all of you could be here to join us today.